What's up, everybody? Today we have some more deals from Direct Tools. If you're unfamiliar with Direct Tools, it's an outlet store for TTI products. That's Ryobi, Rigid. And if you go to the stores, you'll see some Milwaukee stuff in there. But today we have 36 deals from Ryobi and Rigid. Let's get into it. First up, we got this Ryobi 16 gauge finish nailer. Now, I've never used their finish nails. I used a brad nailer a few years ago and it was pretty good. But for $70, hey, that's a pretty good deal. Moving on, we have a hammer drill that puts out about 700 inch-pounds, which is pretty respectable. Comes with a high output battery, fast charge in the case. Again, $70. Now look, I don't have any Ryobi power tools. I have some lawn tools, but no power tools. But I mean, for $70, I mean, I'll try my hand. Moving on, we have this Rigid 2-tool combo set. I made a video about this a few weeks ago on at Home Depot. I can't remember how much it was there, but it comes with two high output batteries that are 2 amp hours. The impact driver does about, I want to say 2,300 inch-pounds. It says something crazy. And the hammer drill does about 800 inch-pounds, 149. Not a fantastic deal like the others was 60% off, but it is 25% off. Now, one thing to keep in mind about Direct Tools, there is a shipping fee for everything. It used to be $10, but I think it jumped up to $14. I won't go through all these kits, but you have a 4-tool combo there. I personally wouldn't buy that one because it's not really a high-end kit. They have a framing nailer from Rigid. I have no idea how good that thing is. Got to check out the reviews on that. Some more Ryobi stuff. Now these electrostatic sprayers have been, they've been giving these away for free for months. So $35 is kind of high considering you could have got them free. And they are still giving away some free stuff depending on what you buy. Another impact driver kit, hammer drill by itself without the impact driver. And lots and lots. Now, this caulk gun, I think this will work really, really well. I had the Milwaukee version, but I ain't paid $45 for it. And for those of you that don't know, factory blemish is brand new. It just means that when it came in on a pallet, one box was damaged, so now they discount all of them. Reconditioned are the ones you want to stay away from on this website. And of course, new is new. So I'll leave a link directly to this page. You can scroll through, see what you like, take advantage of some of these deals, and I'll see you guys next time.